Hi guys, how you doing? Today I'm making a campfire on our grounds. As you can see, I have some baked beans here warming up. You're gonna see soon the potatoes and corn that I put inside, wrapped in foil. Quite nice and warm next to the campfire. And yeah, just looking around, embracing nature. Let me bring it out. Whew. Very hot, very hot. What was that? Did you hear that? You know, in these grounds, it's like National Geographic sometimes. You can find any kind of creature you can imagine, and some of them you didn't imagine will be here. Wings, crawling, flying, attacking each other. I'll tell you soon some of the stories. Ah, that's nice. Okay. I'll let this one cool down a little bit. Okay. Yep. So, I don't know if you guys can see. I have the corn and the potato and the baked beans on the fire. Gonna make it some margarine inside the potato. 1 second. Yep. It's nice to be outside. Part of sometimes funny noises. What we didn't have here. We have foxes shouting around. We had birds banging into our windows and leaving marks. We have everything. We had even snake. So apparently no one sees snakes in the UK almost, but I'm coming to the UK and I'm starting to see snakes straight away. I just probably brought them back from Israel. Don't know how they don't see snakes, those people, but I see them in our grounds. We had even one time that one of the birds hit the window, she fell down, and then some other predator, I don't know the name of the bird, came down on top of it and picked from it and took it away, probably for his to the nest. Some other time we had a bird, a pigeon, going down the chimney, coming inside the room. That was a nightmare. I had to open the windows and try to push the pigeon out. Managed to do it everywhere. The pigeon was freaking out, banging all over the room. Oh, that was an experience. Wow. Let me add the beans on the side, and then I'm ready. Ooh, quite hot. Now it's better. Look at that, on top of the fire. That's proper experience. Let's try some combinations. That's good. The outside is a little bit burnt, but still, the inside is properly. There was another animal we saw here, actually. One time I saw a frog Managed to follow it around. I don't know where it came from. There's not really any pond around that I know of. But you can see here everything. In the night you can be inside, hear weird sounds, you don't even know what animal is it. We just hope it's not the neighbors. I'm telling you. All kind of things. Making a campfire makes you more appreciate the heating or just turning on the cooker. It's still easier with all the nowadays equipment, but still you need to work for it. You always feel like someone's watching you when you're in the grounds. I just top it up a little bit. Woo! Now we're talking. I have a special trick. You can try and guess in the comment section below how I did it. Baked beans in the fire, it's always good. I'll tell you another one that is good, that I used to do before, is you do it with tuna as well. Tin tuna. And you can also take a piece of toilet paper and you burn it on top with the oil of the tuna when you open the tin. It's really, really nice. Probably have a baked bean mustache. The rest. I'm full. I'm gonna lie down here next to the campfire. Hey guys, I'm gonna stay here over the night with a nice warm fire. I have my water, I have some toilet paper, and I'm ready to go. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. Good night guys.